Hello traders, welcome to day 31 of recording my entire trading session for 90 days. Today I took one loss in the evening and I took no trades in the morning session, and overall these markets aren't really favorable to be trading because of all the wars that's going on. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, so the best bet for me is to just be risk off. That's what I do with the morning system too. I deliberately told myself I'm not going to trade because price action hasn't really been ideal at all, and I know what I'm looking for, and if the market is not showing me the pattern that I'm looking for, there's no reason for me to be forcing trades and give back the money that I've made at the start of this year. So without further ado, let's get into the full trading recap. Starting off in the morning, I took no trades in the morning because literally the system did not go off. We'll just go back in time as usual to 9 o'clock and see what was going on. And the main reason that I didn't trade in the morning is because of how price was looking at the 15-minute. Because ideally, I've said it multiple times on my last videos where I want to see a gap in the higher time frame at 9 o'clock, because that is a signal that price wants to trend for the day. And as you can see, at 9 o'clock price was not in a gap, it was just slowly coming down, and I told myself, you know what, I've seen this pattern happen more than enough times, so I know I should just be off the market today. And we really didn't get anything. We'll just play through it. I'm happy that I went to my classes in the morning. That also kept me from taking a long actually. You see, like, this long was valid because all indicators would go, but I didn't really take it because I was in class, which ended up helping me out. Because price went up, no breakouts, nothing, just came back down, and we just slowly kept coming down for the day. So 11:45, and then I went to the gym, and then I came back for the evening session, and this is the trade that I took. Basically, in the evening, we're looking for a clean ICT reversal setup, and I'll show you guys a proof on Upstep. So I went 11 contracts in this long on my combine, and on the eval I went with 5 contracts. I'll show you guys the calendar because I want to be as transparent as I can. This month has not been good, as you can see, but through good risk management I'm still profitable. Even though it's $300, you can see that we've basically only 2 winning days for the entire month, but still you can be profitable if you manage your risk well. So this was a perfect price action day, and recently price action has just been trash. And also I've been slacking off a little bit with my habits, and I took some trades that I shouldn't have taken. That is what this $500 loss is. But usually you can see I manage my risk, I keep my risk capped, and the winners are going to be big, so I'm not really worried about it, and I'm just preserving my capital until ideal price action shows up. So yeah, that's just how today went. Overall, man, it's just another day in the bank, another trade added to the sample. That's really what it is, because we really shouldn't be worried about the outcome of a single trade. That's how you misalign yourself in trading. Once the day is done, just record it and journal it, reflect on it, and move on to the next day. Don't linger on it. Just like in life, once a day is gone, don't worry about the past or don't be anxious about the future. Just be in the present moment. Every moment in the market and in life is unique, and our brains tend to connect the past events into the present self. That is what causes you to make mistakes in trading, because you're thinking about a pattern or a scenario that happened a while ago and you're connecting it to this present moment, when the present moment is always unique. It's never happened before, and it will never happen again. So just by being present and me showing up to the markets every day and saying that, you know what, I'm only going to be waiting for my system, my edge. I know the edge that works because I've already gotten payouts from it, so I know for a fact that it works. There's really no reason for me to question my edge, because that's another thing that happens when you go through a losing streak. Your mind is looking for alternatives. It wants to find a solution when there is no solution. The solution is you have a working edge. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's a probability game. Don't change anything. If you're going through a losing streak, the best thing that you can do is just keep doing what you have been doing, unless it's bad actions, which means you have to change it. But All you gotta do is just wait, and when that one pattern forms, then you just take your trade. Until that, you just have to wait. And not taking a trade is as much of a win as you taking a winning trade. So it's all about patience, discipline, decisiveness, and being risk on, and knowing when to take risk off as well. So yeah, that's just how I'm feeling today and how I feel about my overall performance. And I really want to be consistent with everything else in life, including these videos, including only taking my setups, and including getting my university stuff done. Because otherwise, if you have some open loops outside of trading, let's say if you have assignments due, or you have these errands that you're not doing, or you got laundry that you have to do and then you're just not doing it. So all of these open loops, they linger in your mind, and when you trade, you compensate trading for those bad open loops that you haven't closed already. So that is why I think in order for you to be a profitable trader, you also have to make sure that everything around your life is set as well, because otherwise you're going to compensate for those bad feelings with the feeling of trading, where you can get the best amount of dopamine that hits when you put a trade on, because now you can make money. So yeah, those are like, honestly, I want to do like a full psychology video, because the things that I've learned I think are pretty valuable. But yeah, that's just a little rant for today. I went running with Kai today. I'm happy about that. As soon as I was done with trading, and I'm getting ready for tomorrow, and let's see how that goes. If you haven't joined the free Discord, already join that, because I post everything for free, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.